Where to find the best sites. Legal and paralegal careers. Hello. So you want to know more about hand pallet truck safety? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about hand pallet truck safety is www.handtrucksrus.com. Specifically the page titled Pallet Jack, Pallet Jacks, Hand Trucks Are Us. This is the link. You can also try www.crown.com, especially the page Hand Pallet Trucks Jacks Lifts Manual Pallet Trucks. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 35001.r.msn.com. The web page Forklift Safety Training OSHA-SAFETY-TRAINING.net. This is the link.